My youth, I spent a lot of time in the Highlands of Scotland. I walked around a fair bit in the Caledonian Forest, up in the moors of Rannoch, and spent a portion of my youth fishing a lot of the streams. And then came over to Canada in the late 70s and went to the University of Guelph and spent my career working with a number of different agencies, including about 18 years with the Ministry of Natural Resources, primarily in urban landscapes. And for the last 12 years, I've had the pleasure of working with the Regional Municipality of York as the Manager of Natural Heritage and Forestry. Probably the most inspirational part of my job is working with kids and people who haven't perhaps had that chance to connect with nature. So in York Region, we've recently invested in the replacement of an old building with a brand new all-wood building. It's called the Bill Fish Forest Stewardship and Education Center. It's very sustainable. It's built beyond the LEED Platinum standards of sustainability, and it's intended to meet what's called the Living Building Challenge. Currently, there are only 8 buildings in the entire world that meet that Living Building Challenge certification. But most importantly, it's a learning space. As urban areas grow, people get separated from nature, particularly our kids. And it's really important to nurture that opportunity for them to connect with nature. Some of the biggest challenges in urbanizing landscapes are recognizing the natural environment and the natural heritage features and having people understand their value. And I think one of the biggest challenges we have today is recognizing the environment for its ecological goods and services, recognizing that it's not just an aesthetic thing, but healthy natural environments are so critical to clean air, clean water. And it's more than the environment. There's social benefits in terms of public health, healthy trees, healthy communities. There's also economic benefits. And I think the challenge to those that manage these resources is speaking about those resources as assets. And that sort of levels the playing field in terms of protecting the environment, understanding that green infrastructure is as important as our built infrastructure.